what they're calling it these days.
Yep.
Okay.
We're doing it kebabbin style.
Kebabbin? It's a toboggan.
Toboggan. Wait, what's kebabbin?
Nothing.
Oops.
Okay, you on the front.
Okay.
I'll get a sledge push and swap on the back.
Oh, we don't need sledge.
No push?
No push needed.
No, there's no push needed.
Did I hold it right?
Just kind of put your hands on the side and just like, and you're good.
Okay. Look, it's like elf shoes.
Alright.
Ooh, cold back.
Is this right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, yeah. Set. Go.
That was awesome. I was trying to direct it and then it wasn't working. Wait, watch. Hunt!
Oh. No, it doesn't. Or you can make a dragonfly if you just keep
It's a pretty one. Oh. Okay, now your turn.
Okay, your battery's dying.
Huh?
Your battery is dying.
It is?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta get you. Is it saying like empty?
No, it's just flashing.
That means it's gonna go soon. Turn it off so we can get